Now moving on, which groups of organisms exhibit radial or bilateral symmetry depending on the stage of development? Annelida, Arthropoda, Coelenterata, and Echinodermata. So the answer is Echinodermata. Now, which among the following is a dance form of Orissa? Uh, Gudiya Nritya, Kathakali, Chau. The answer is Chau. Who is the author of Geet Govinda? Jaidev, Kalidas, Sudas, and Panini. The answer is Jaidev. Now, what is the share of population aged 15 and below according to National Family Health Survey 2019 to 2021? The answer is 26.5. The vascular cryptograms are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and Gymnosperms. The answer is Pteridophyta. Okay, again, we have a statement question. Now, it's a whole geography statement and question, so I'm not very familiar with it. So, we'll just discuss the answer, and that is it. In the tropical zone, the western sections of the oceans are warmer than the eastern sections owing to the influence of the trade winds. In the temperate zone, the western ice make the eastern sections of the ocean warmer than the western sections. Okay, so the answer to this is C or 3 or A or B, both are the correct explanations to this. Now, in the context of India, which of the following are considered to be a practice of eco-friendly agriculture? Crop diversification, legume intensification, tensiometer use, and vertical farming. The answer to this is 3. Only vertical farming is correct. I am not very familiar, but as per my previous knowledge, vertical farming is something, doing one set of crops at a time, and on the same land you can plant and grow a lot of crops, I guess. Okay. Moving on now, here we are talking about teaching of geography. Okay. Now, teaching of geography should be able to develop perspectives related to issues concerning um, resources and conservation. Yes, obviously, teaching of geography should arise a value of resource and how you can conserve all of them. Then we have development and displacement, then challenges to national unity and human development. So definitely we have A and D in our answer, because teaching of geography should be able to develop perspectives around resources and their conservation and human development. So now we will eliminate again. Now we are not very familiar of the answer, so we'll try and eliminate. So A and B, definitely not. We are supposed to have A and D in our answers now. Again, both B and C will also not be the answer. So we have only one option which has A and D in our answer. So the answer is A, B, and D. That is how you can reach your answer. Okay. Yeah, the answer is 2. Now, moving on, which commission or committee was given the task to look into the question of organization of the Indian Army after the mutiny of 1857? Hunter Commission, Strachey Commission, Jonathan Peel Commission, and Muddy Commission. The answer is Jonathan Peel Commission.